Good morning! Welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, I'm gonna cook air fried salmon. So I usually use the wild caught salmon. They said it's for healthy. It's for good health. Anyway, so I'm gonna start our cooking. So let's tear this off and open this. Buksan na natin ito sa mga Pilipino. Ayan. Then we're just gonna wash this. Wash this. Well, then ano lang natin ito, we just have to season it with paprika. So they said paprika can take the langsa of the fish. Yung ano bang tawag dun sa langsa in English? Basta yung langsa ng fish. So you have to use paprika. Then I have to garlic salt. Garlic salt. So i-ano natin ito para malagyan lahat. Garlic salt. Then yung pepper. So we have to use pepper too. Sorry. Ay. So pepper. Pero hindi na lalagyan. Parang the grinder is not working properly. Okay. Yan. So, lagyan din natin ng, can put some parsley flakes. Pampa-add flavor. There you go. So, okay na yan. Then, we're gonna put it on an air fryer. And then we just cook one at a time. We can add some lemon para magkaroon ng lemony flavor. Hold on, let me just get my lemon here. Here. Let me just make a slice of a lemon. I have to so maybe just two tiny slices of a lemon. Then we can fry it for setting of 380 for 14 minutes. And let's see after that. Okay. I'll see you later. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna take a look at our finished product. So this time it is cooked. Look at that. Sarap. So we can add olive oil para oily, hindi siya dry. Tapos, we'll put it on a plato. Yan. Sarap na to. Yes. So, ito siya. Masarap. Yan. So, titikman na natin to. bago tayo mag-ano, tikman na natin. Looks masarap. Okay. So, yan siya. Mama. Sarap. Okay. Tapos lutuin naman natin yung isa. Kuha tayo ulit ng panibago. Lagyan natin ulit ng foil. So, this time, tapos yung ano, yung lemon. Nilagyan na natin ng olive oil. Kanina nakalimutan ko yung olive oil ilagay agad. Pero pwede naman yon kahit late na ilagay. Saan ko na nilagay yung olive oil? O, ito pala. So, lagyan ng olive oil. Then, again, settings. 380. 14 minutes. Okay. Let's wait until it's done. Thank you. I'll